Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a top word. I made it. You can see the boiling this tteokbokki. It's called the shrimp tteokbokki. I made it today. Let's take this one out for the safety reason. So I made a really spicy ramen tteokbokki. Man, so spicy I couldn't finish all the food. So I was, I think about half size of leftover, and then there's a shrimp tteokbokki I can make. So I put the one bowl of the cooked shrimp, frozen. Then I put it here, and then one cups of water. I dump it, and then I boiled it, and then kind of jiggling each other and see, you can see though, you don't see a lot of water. This is all cooked. So hopefully I can handle this spicy. But though because I added water and then shrimp and then evaporation and stuff like that, so let's it's a great perfect texture right here. See, right texture right here. So you can see the shrimp right here. Shrimp tteokbokki right there. So let's get into it. Looks really good. Looks really good. Let's do it. Let's take the shrimp first. Tastes really good. It is shrimp. Yeah, less spicy. It is a shrimp taste. Shrimp. It is totally different than just ramen tteokbokki. It is spicy, but wow, less spicy. And then shrimp flavor is amazing. Wow. Good shrimp. Feels like a today and yesterday, like a tteokbokki party every day. Good. Good shrimp flavor. Definitely try out shrimp tteokbokki. One more. Oh. Man, I got more shrimp. Mmm. Ooh. Still spicy. Ah, let me get some water. Oh man. Mm. The shrimp flavor with the tteokbokki, smoother, and then kind of mildish. Mmm. Still spicy. Oh man. Oh, really good, really good. Oh. Woo. Oh. 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 Oh, so spicy. Oh. Oh man. 2 thumbs up. So good. Shrimp. Spicy shrimp tteokbokki. See you soon. It's Top Word.